Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a pivot table in Microsoft Excel. So let's have a look now. First, open your Excel worksheet containing the data you want to analyze with a pivot table. Navigate to the Insert tab and in the Tables group, click on Pivot Table. A Create Pivot Table box will appear. Select where you want the pivot table to be placed. You can choose to put it in an existing worksheet or a new one. Now click OK. Excel will insert a blank pivot table and display the pivot table field on the right. Customize your pivot table by applying filters, sorting data, and adding calculated fields. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment, and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.